my shot. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also like this video. I will be showing y'all something new that you will learn unless you already know how to do this. So in today's video, I will be showing y'all how to do a Jordan 1 mock-up from your computer, where you can change the color of this Jordan 1 mock-up that you do. All you would need is Adobe Photoshop and a picture from the internet. So yeah, a couple easy steps after that, and you can start changing the color of the mock-up just like this here. Let's say we go to like a red. I'm gonna save that color. So we have the red sole. We're going to do a red upper, and I'm going to do a black. What I call bottom, and then I could also change the midsole if I want. Kind of give that like a yellowish, classic vintage look. So we can see how easy I did that. We can I'm going to show y'all how to do this in a couple simple steps. So we're going to go to browser, a web browser. I'm going to Google, type in Jordan 1 template, and then I found this one. I clicked on to the website. It took me to here, and then I saved, or you can drag this image and drop it into your browser, and it will be right here. I mean, to your desktop, and it'll be right here. And then from this point, I click it, drag it to Photoshop, open it up, unlock the background so I can edit it. Make sure my image mode is on RGB color, as you can see right there. If it's not, you want to deselect what mode it's on and click RGB color. Then I'm going to get my magnifying glass and zoom in so I can click on the panels I want to click on. So we are going to grab the magic wand tool, boom, and then start layering the sections we want to color. You can click them multiple times if you want, or you can just do them individually, however you want to do it. So just gonna get ahead and do a couple panels for y'all so I can get the gist of it. I'm clicking the bottom right here at the sole. I will name it sole. So I'm just clicking all the ones I wanted to color from the sole. And if you do click something that you don't want, I'm on a Mac, you can use Command Z, which will undo a layer, the last layer that you did, or you can go to edit and undo, magic wand tool. Alright, and then after you do have all the layers selected, you want to do Command C, Command V, or go up to edit and do copy and paste. Copy, then paste. Then it will make a new layer. You want to save that layer as and name it. I name it sole, press enter, and then you want to do this transparent lock. Just so no editing can be done. You can still change the color, but like it's hard to delete it and stuff like that. So you don't have to do it all over again. Save time. And you can click back on your background layer. I will name it background. Click back on your background layer, which is this layer, so you can do another selection, because if you do it on this, it won't save it because it's just sole. So you go back to background. I will click these ones, these layers. Do Command C, Command V, which is copy and paste. Name that upper. Lock it. Go back. Do the midsole. Copy V. Copy C and Command C and Command V. Copy and paste. Name that midsole. Lock it. And then do the rest of the ones I want make sure it's on background. Click the laces. And then you just repeat on how many you want. I'll name this one bottom. And you can do like the tongue if you want, toe cap, the mid panel. I'm just doing this as a tutorial for y'all, so I'm not gonna get too far into it, but then you can start editing the colors. I'm going to make this a black. I should have the black. I didn't save the black. So yeah, I'm gonna make that a black. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make that a black. I'm going to do the midsole, and then I'm going to do the upper as like a Celtic green. Kind of like a Celtic green, a vintage Celtic green color. The bottom, I'm going to do black. That's black. And then the sole, I am going to do the black or Celtic green. I like this little Celtic green look. Yeah, I like that look. And then I'm gonna go back to the midsole and kind of make that a little, it's a little darker. And I'm gonna zoom back out. And there you go. You have a Jordan 1 mock-up template that you can change the colors of and edit, make your skills better. So yeah, I got this from Google, from this guy that made it, Kicks Art, and I just edited it from what he has created. So yeah, like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully you learned something. Comment if you have any questions. Thank y'all for the support. I'm out.